Jasmine with WTI, and if you are looking for an easy way to clean your pool, you're going to want to check out this pool vacuum from Seauto. One of our favorite things about this pool vacuum is how easily and well it climbs the walls. It's a beautiful vacuum, very well made. A lot of the parts are replaceable, so that's nice to know. You won't have to buy a whole new vacuum if something goes bad. You can just replace the part. It does a really great job at covering the whole pool. It can even climb the stairs and clean the bench as well, which just blows my mind. It's really amazing. It can pick up tiny particles like sand as well as big leaves. It's also very easy to take out of the pool. They send you a hook that you can attach to your pole and pull it right out. It's super easy to clean. It has a large filter, which we really like as well. It's very simple to use. It has 3 modes. You can do floor and wall, or just floor or the walls, and it charges really fast, and the charge will last you 2 to 3 hours, which is plenty of time to get the pool clean. We are in love with this vacuum. We've owned several different ones, and this is by far our favorite and the best one yet. So if you're ready to make pool cleaning a breeze, definitely check out this robot pool vacuum from Seauto. You won't regret it, and that's my point of view.